Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to start a new chapter. The chapter name is Poverty as a Challenge. So chapter 3, Poverty as a Challenge. This is part of economics book. Now, when we look at poverty as a challenge, first we will understand what is poverty. Poverty means garibi. Okay, when a person is poor. So when a person is suffering from hunger, hunger means he is not having food to eat. When there is lack of shelter, shelter means the person doesn't have home or house to live. Then lack of clean water, the person is not getting clean water to drink. Or sanitation, when person is not having access to sanitation facilities. Or lack of decent job, when a person is involved in low paid jobs. For example, most of the construction workers, इसका example can be कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्कर्स, मजदूर जो होते हैं तो वो पुअर होते हैं, है ना, दे आर पुअर, दे गेट वेरी लो वेजेस. सो कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्कर्स. ओके, सो क्लियर अबाउट पॉवर्टी. Poverty is a situation when a person doesn't have access to shelter, clean water and doesn't have a decent job or is suffering from hunger. Now, the social scientists or economists or people, educated people, look at poverty in different ways. So what can be the different ways? One is illiteracy, malnourishment. Okay, now when you look at illiteracy, illiteracy means a person is uneducated, yani person is not educated. When a person is illiterate, the person get manual job, manual low paid job. So illiteracy means when persons are uneducated. Now this is because they are poor. So when poor people don't have enough money that they can invest in education, they have very less money, so they cannot send their children to school. That's why they are illiterate. Second is malnourishment. Malnourishment means they do not take adequate nutrients. They do not take adequate nutrients. The food, so malnourishment, they suffer from malnourishment. They do not take adequate nutrient. Okay. So they have various disease. So malnourishment मतलब when आपको प्रॉपर खाना नहीं मिलता खाने के लिए, लाइक आपको प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिएंट्स नहीं मिल रहे. अगर कोई इंसान 2 दिन तक खाना नहीं खाता तो उसकी तबीयत वैसे ही खराब हो जाती है. सिमिलरली द पुअर पीपल गेट food 1 time a day, like we get 3 to 4 times a day food. Poor people only get food 1 time a day or 2 times a day. Sometimes they don't get food at all. So they are suffering from problem of malnutrition, because when you don't have money, you cannot buy food. Okay. So this is the case with poor people, as they do not have access to money. Then you have lack of healthcare facilities. Or you can, okay, now the poor people don't have access to healthcare facilities. If a person falls ill, there are high chances that he will die, because they don't have enough money to purchase food. They do not have enough money to send their children to school. How can they have money to spend on their health? So lack of healthcare facilities, they do not have money. They do not have money, and so cannot avail health facilities. Okay, clear? Then is like lack of access to safe drinking water. The poor people also don't have access to safe drinking water. So the social scientists see that poverty in terms of these ways, but usually poverty is seen in terms of income and consumption, which means that what is your income and how much food you are eating. So this is how poverty is usually seen. Now comes the concept of poverty estimation. Poverty estimation means we are calculating how many people are poor in India. Now, if you see, then in so these estimates are done by NSSO. National Sample Survey Office is a government body, NSSO, which collect the data कि इंडिया में कितने लोग पुअर हैं, कितने लोग पुअर नहीं है. ओके, सो एज पर द डेटा in 1973, 55% of country's population was poor. In 1993, 36% of our population was poor. In 2000, 26% of population was poor. So the poverty was decreasing. है ना? Poverty was decreasing or reducing. So as per 2000, there were 260 million poor people in India, and the poverty rates in rural area was more than the poverty rates in urban area, because in rural area 27% of population was poor, whereas in urban area 23% or 24% of population was poor. So this is how poverty estimation is done. The poverty estimation is done either with income as an indicator or consumption. So either you take income or you take consumption. For example, when you take consumption, so the requirement is 2400 calorie per day per person for rural area and 2100 for urban area, which means that a person in rural area should get minimum 2400 calories of food intake. Then if he is getting more than that, then he is not poor. Okay, so we take this in case of rural area. In urban area, the calorie intake is less, which is 2100. So in this video till here, in the next video we will cover further more topics. Thank you.